Okay, Budapest. 2 objects. They've been there lately. Let me get in a little bit closer so you can see them better. And maybe we'll see the rotation, or I don't want to call it rotation. Distortion is a better word. It always looks like a rotation, but it's a distortion. Alright, where's the other one? There we go. Okay, those are the 2 objects. Budapest. Pretty amazing, eh? And particulates, hologram. What can I say? But those are the green objects. We're in green these days. Green, fog outside Israel. Green in the sky in Budapest. Alright. Just wanted you to see that real quick. And we're on our way.